Hi, welcome back to Genelog TV. It's rainy season here in Southeast Asia region this time. And can you guess what best transportation method during this time of crisis? If you are guessing car, then it's correct. I've been traveled a lot by car. I've go to work by car. I've go to other place by car, and it's essential during rainy season to avoid getting wet. Air conditioner in car plays important part because of the weather and humidity here in South Asia region. But my car air conditioner always broke down and malfunction, which sometimes it's on and off, which caused me trouble when dashboard mirror become foggy and hard to see when driving. Before we go through that, please log on to our channel and hit the like button. And if you want the latest content and notification from our channel, then hit the subscribe button. Feel free to share and comment our video so we can keep in touch with you. Now back to our topics on how to detect common sign if your vehicle air conditioning need maintenance and repair. 1. Reduce airflow. The clogged air filter and debris leave in your air ducts can both lead to the ventilation issue which cause your air conditioner underperform. Number 2. Warm air coming out when you turn on air conditioner, which may be caused by coolant leaks, damaged compressor and condenser. Number 3. Smelly unpleasant odor, which a buildup of mold in your car which is unhealthy and stinky. Number 4. It doesn't turn on, cause of fan radiator malfunction and sometimes not turn on at all. So I've been checking this guy channel for quite some times. It's called RBM Radiator TV and it has many video and tips and tricks on fixing your car DIY styles. He even posts a video repairing your air conditioner by just using ice cream stick and a paper clip. Since he's been using the same car as mine in his demo, I'm care to look up for his trick. In his video, he also teaches us how to read the indicator placed on the back of a fuselage cover so we can replace the right relay that operates the car air conditioner. Then he showed us how to take out the relay in fuselage using ice cream stick, then using the paper clip to test the current to see if it has a faulty issue or working just fine. In his video, he showed us to solve the air conditioner problem. We just had to replace the relay that's situated in your car fuselage. He even drew us a diagram for this trick. If the fan radiator keeps spinning without turning on the key or starting your engine, then that means you need to change only the relay on your car air conditioner and your car air conditioner issue is resolved. Replace the relay with the new one. And put back fuselage cover after it's done. After all that has been done, try to start your car and test your air conditioner. I've already done that. And my car air conditioner is working as new. So what do you think about this video? Please feel free to comment and give us your opinion about this issue. Thanks for watching. Sayonara.